All Pathmonk partners get exclusive access to the agency portal. This is your central hub for accessing important information about your clients, commissions, tutorials, and other tools that will help you manage Pathmonk efficiently. In the dashboard section, you'll find a dedicated area at the top where you can claim your commissions quarterly. This section also displays your agency status, the number of clients linked to your agency, recent conversions generated by your clients, and the revenue they have generated over the last 30 days. In the Sales Assets tab, you'll find everything you need to pitch Pathmonk to your clients with confidence. From key sales materials and information to quick links that make your process easier, like booking a joint demo with our team, requesting a custom sales offer, or using our impact calculator. Everything you need to close your next client is right here. In the next tab, you'll find Implementor Assets, a full collection of detailed implementation guides and technical resources. These materials will help you onboard your clients smoothly and address any technical questions that might come up along the way. Under Customer Success, you'll find direct links to report any issues, access our Help Center, share feedback, and explore resources to quickly find solutions. In Customer Accounts, you can easily add new clients and manage existing ones. In this other tab, you can complete your agency profile and personalize your Pathmonk page. In the Terms of Service, you can review the contractual conditions of your Pathmonk agency license. And finally, under Companies Detected, you can view corporate network visitors who have visited your page, providing a clear view of potential clients to reach out to. Explore your agency portal and make the most of every tool designed to help your agency and your clients grow with Pathmonk.